Straumann SIRIOS Portfolio, Patient Management. Navigate to the fifth icon located in the navigation panel on the left-hand side. Here, you can view patients saved under the current user. You can search by patient name. You can modify patient details by using the three dots menu and selecting Edit. Always save your changes at the end. You can add new patients for further appointments from this view. Simply type in the patient information. Once completed, save the information. Now, let's switch to the administrator view. Once logged in to the administrator account, navigate to the Patient tab. Assigning patient to practitioner is only available under the administrator user. Click on the three dots menu and select Edit. You can reassign a patient to another dentist already added to the Straumann SIRIOS directory. Save the changes once finished. Reminder: you can add a patient for future appointments in the Patient Management screen. Only the administrator account can reassign patients to another dentist or user.